deal with that situation as soon as I get out of here.
What? Get out of here.
Look up at the stars.
Just look up the word handsome in the dictionary.
If we don't run into any trouble, we can get you there in a couple of hours.
We haven't run into anybody that could speak decent English for a week. Right, Janet?
Come on, they stand by their oath.
I want you to come stand by the door.
I think I'll turn in.
Anyone failing to turn in any homework assignment will be penalized 1 point off their final grade.